Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Olivia. How are you doing today? And hope you're staying safe. If you're new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I post new videos every Wednesdays and Saturdays. This channel is about fashion, lifestyle, DIY. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. I really appreciate. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the step-by-step procedure of how I made this beautiful gown. It was actually made for a client um for her wedding reception. Okay, so don't bother about the length. The owner of the dress is not tall. Okay, guys, sorry I didn't finally get a picture of the last look of this dress, but it was so beautiful. I added extra beads, extra lines, and some other designs to the sleeve, so stay with me. Yeah. Welcome back, guys. So as you can see, I already covered my cup. I'm using an already made cup, so it depends on whichever pattern or method you use in making your corset. You know, this is a corset gown, so I drafted my corset pattern and I've done almost everything, and I've covered my cup with the fabric I'm using for my basic bodies. So this is something you must do. Okay, so I'm done with that, and after that I'm going to attach it to the bodice. So I've attached the cup to the bodice, and this is what I've attached one side actually, and then I pinned down the other side. As you can see, just to show you, you're supposed to pin it down first before you sew, please, to be on the safe side. For me, I like pinning before I sew. So this is it. So I'll just go over to my sewing machine and attach the other side of the cup. If you would want me to make a tutorial on how to draft this pattern of corsets, please drop a comment in the comment section. I went ahead to iron out my corset. So this is not compulsory. You know, sometimes after sewing it just get relaxed on its own, and sometimes it just proves stubborn. So this one was actually stubborn. Even after ironing it, it wasn't that relaxed. So after ironing it, I attached my yoke. The neckline was meant to have a turtleneck. It was supposed to be a turtleneck line. That's why it's like this. I actually doubled the net, and so I'm going to attach my lining like so. So I'm done attaching my lining. Here is my boning. I already trimmed the edges of the boning. I'm going to insert it. I've already inserted one. I'm going to insert the other two. Okay, so this is how the inside looks like after attaching the lining. This is what I have. See how beautiful it's looking already. Hope you can see. So now I've attached my front skirts. The downside of the front, I've already attached it, and this is it. The beauty of the gown is already coming out. Hope you like my gown. So this is it, and this is the back. I already attached the zip, and the back is already looking so beautiful. I love the back more than the front. Hi. So this is the back yoke, and this is the front. Our gown is almost ready, right? At this point, if you have not subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please subscribe to this channel. Help me grow this channel, please. Subscribe. Thank you so much. So this is my sleeve. It's a long sleeve. I doubled the sleeve. I cut two of the sleeve and I doubled it so it doesn't tear easily. You know this net now. So I used one to turn the other one. So I'm about to close it up. I already measured out the body measurements and I'm going to sew. I finished closing it up and this is it. This is the first look after closing it up. And notice that I changed the style of the neckline. Yeah, the client asked me to change the style. It was supposed to be a turtleneck and she asked me to change the neckline. Okay. So here I cut out designs from the main fabric and then I'm placing them onto the dress just to add more designs. So this is where your creativity comes in. You know, when making a dress you need to be creative. I had to cut out some designs from the sequence fabric and place them on some places. I actually placed a design on the sleeve, but I later changed my mind and decided to use beads and to change the look. So I'm just trimming off some designs to place on the sleeve. Guys, it's already late. It's already night over here, so I worked overtime. So I'm just placing the design on the other part of the sleeve. And this is it. This is what I've done so far. And I think maybe at this juncture I'm going to leave this and go home and then continue tomorrow. So this is it. This is the back. This is the front. Guys, I'm back the next day. So this is my student. He was helping me to fix the beads and I'm just stacking the designs. As you can see, I cut out some designs and put on the neckline and then around the upper part of the bra cup, and then I'm just stacking with my thread and needle. Remember all these designs I attached on the dress? I used my needle and thread to fix them. And then this is how I prepared my bead. I used a fishing line. I doubled it actually with my needle, this small needle, and then picking the beads one after the other. You can use any color of bead, and my student was so helpful actually. Guys, this is not easy. This our work is not easy at all. So this is the dress. We're almost done actually. This is where I stopped, but I later added a design to the sleeve, added more lines of beads, and you need to see how it looks on this client. Oh my god, she came back and she gave her testimony that almost everybody at the wedding was admiring her dress, that almost all her ashebis snapped the dress that they're going to make it, and people were complimenting her dress and they were asking her if she bought it from a boutique, and I was glad. When you get a testimony like this, you feel glad that it really worth the stress. I think we're going to stop here for now. You can make this dress anytime, any day. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.